I have a website, but nothing is happening in Google. That is where you need to know about what Google likes. It likes up-to-date websites that bring up information that is relevant to what people are searching for. So you're starting a business and you think that you'll leave updating your website until you have everything working. Wrong. Wrong! You need to get started before everything is working. Otherwise, you'll not be findable when your business opens its doors or turns on its virtual presence. There are two main reasons you have a website. First, as proof of authenticity. Somehow people think of you as more real business when you have a website. And to be found, this is what geeks like to call search engine optimization, SEO. Well, you have already taken the first step. What about the second? People treat SEO as if it's a magic art. At its simplest, it is really easy. Your website, when it goes live from Cloud Genius, is already linked to Google Search Console. So any changes that are made to your website cause a nudge to go to Google, like that. Google will then index the changes. But what about ranking highly in Google? To rank highly in Google, you need to have content that is relevant to what people are searching for. For instance, if someone is searching for cycle helmet, they'll probably want to see places to buy cycle helmets, cycling enthusiast websites and similar. They would not want to be pointed at a grocery store. And here is a bit more geek speak. In this search, cycle helmet is called the search word or search phrase or search term or keyword or key phrase. Yes, I know it is more than one word. But I don't make the rules. And to keep your site relevant and up to date, the best thing is to write a blog. This can be news, events, or just plain helpful advice. One right with the end in mind. For instance, imagine you're writing about a great new knitting pattern for hats. Yeah, great new knitting pattern for hats. What are people likely to type into Google to find it? How about knitting pattern for hats? Now write that article. The key phrase is going to be knitting pattern for hats. So the title for your article should include the phrase, exactly as in the key phrase, knitting pattern for hats. Your slug, this is the bit that your web browser will use, and I'll go into that in later articles, will be knitting-pattern-for-hats. So if your website was knitting.com, you would find this page at knitting.com/knitting-pattern-for-hats. Your article should use the phrase knitting pattern for hats a few times, ideally at least 3, but not excessively. And the best length for articles is 400 to 500 words. Do that and it will help your page to rank highly. Write an article every fortnight at least, if you can manage it. Daily is even better. Monthly is a bare minimum. And perhaps writing is not your thing. Well, we have great news. We offer a blog writing service. And for most people, this will be around £80 if you're more of a do-it-yourselfer. Then look out for my simple guide to blog and SEO that will be coming out shortly. And don't forget, keep on at it. The more you write, the better you become. The more you write, the more findable you become. So there you go. Catch you soon.